Which synonym belongs to apprehend? The correct answer is catch. Which synonym belongs to chortle? The correct answer is chuckle. Which synonym belongs to mogul? The correct answer is magnate. Which synonym belongs to subversive? The correct answer is seditious. Which synonym belongs to martyr? The correct answer is martyrize. Which synonym belongs to invincible? The correct answer is undefeatable. Which synonym belongs to prone? The correct answer is neveling. Which synonym belongs to feudal? The correct answer is useless. Which synonym belongs to skulk? The correct answer is sneak. Which synonym belongs to diverse? The correct answer is manifold. Which synonym belongs to philatelist? The correct answer is collector. Which synonym belongs to amalgamate? The correct answer is mix. Which synonym belongs to turbid? The correct answer is equivocal. Which synonym belongs to nubile? The correct answer is marriageable. Which synonym belongs to haggle? The correct answer is wrangle. Which synonym belongs to jingoist? The correct answer is chauvinist. Which synonym belongs to yield? The correct answer is give in. Which synonym belongs to latent? The correct answer is dormant. Which synonym belongs to inundate? The correct answer is beflood. Which synonym belongs to antipathy? The correct answer is hatred.